Hi, I'm Lisa from Cultured Expressions, inviting you to join me for Quilt Fest Virtual Schoolhouse number 13 on Wednesday, January 21st from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be working with Bogolan, which is mudcloth fabric from Mali, West Africa. And if you've ever done slow stitch, then you'll be familiar with the process. And if you haven't done it, you're not going to want to miss it. This is slow stitch taken to a whole nother level with the texture of the fabric and the story behind it. You're going to really love the results, which you can then finish into a pillow or a wall hanging, a jacket panel, all kinds of different projects we'll be talking about. Join me then.